This is a self-heated pad from Mora. This is good for both cats and dogs. It takes their natural body heat when they lay on it and helps to warm them up because it's insulated really well. So let's take a look at how this works with my brother's dog, Lexi.
This is a really nice little pet mat. Just very plush. Has a nice feel to it. And the backing, a little bit of a water resistant backing. And also seems like it has a little bit of a traction coating on it as well to kind of keep it from sliding around as easily. It has this nice zipper if you need to unzip it. This is the kind of pad in the middle for helping the heat retain in this cover. So if you need to wash the cover, you just take the pad out and it'll come right out and you can wash the cover when you need to. So this is a very nice feel to it, good quality. There's Lexi, our little mini Aussie, miniature Aussie. Hey, she likes having her pad by her food where she can eat and relax and be comfortable. Well, hey there, Lexi. Hi. Is that pad comfortable? I think you like it, huh? It's very comfortable. Sit right there by your food. Yep. Well, there you are, sitting on your pad next to the cozy couches. Hey, Lexi. She really likes this thing. Very comfortable anywhere in the house.